Okay guys, it's your DIY house husband here, and today we are going to change this switch because it's not working. It's working downwards sometimes, but it's not working upwards. Okay, so I already ordered its replacement, this one. Yeah, this one. So this is, what's the part number? Part number is MR1948229. This is also compatible for Adventure. Okay, so to remove this, just pull it with all your try, and then just pull it up. Okay, and then remove this. Okay, and this is the damaged part. So as you can see, it's held by clips here. Okay, and let's remove the screws. Remove the screws. There are 2 screws only. Okay, then slowly pull it out, and then put the replacement. Okay, that's it. But before putting the replacement, check the replacement first. So let's connect it here, and then let's check. Okay, up and down they're working. Okay, all good to go. Put it here. Okay, check. Okay, it's perfectly okay. And then return the screws. Another one. Connect the wire. Of course, you need to connect it to work. Okay, and then you can slide it like this if you want. If you want to give it another try, you can slide it like that. Okay, for your passengers to get intrigued by your decision. But anyway, I'll just put it in the normal way. You can have it in the abnormal way. Okay, and that's it. Nice and fit. Check again. Okay, kindly show the window that it's working. Okay, there, up. Okay, and that's enough. And thank you guys. See you next time.